Hello, myself Satbir Singh. I am from Rourkela, Odisha. I was having stomach pain since last few days, so I went to a doctor, visited, and he told me for a CT scan. And in the CT scan report, I found there were some ventral hernia holes in my stomach, and they suggested me for open surgery. I was not satisfied with that, so I came down to Hyderabad. At Hyderabad, I came here. I met Mr. Prasad Babu, and again he completely diagnosed me and told me that I have got some hernia holes in my stomach and he will do the treatment with complete laparoscopy surgery. So I was feeling satisfied, okay fine, it is a closed surgery, so I found it will be more better for me. And again he told me that he will be doing the mesoplasty. After 1 or 2 days, he gave me a slot to be booked for my OT, and again I came to the hospital. I was admitted, and after all the pre-operative things done, I was being operated on last Monday, and I stayed here for 4 to 5 days. Around I was discharged on Friday. And during my stay here at Yashoda Hospital, it was very satisfactory. All the staffs were very cooperative, even the doctors, nurses, other staffs. I really liked the stay here, and I'll remember the stay here because myself, even my wife was with me, even she did not have any problem with either with food or any medicines like that. Everything was very fine. I'm very thankful to all the staff of Yashoda Hospital, and looking further कि कभी ये problem ना हो, but if any medical problem arises, I would like to visit you at Yashoda Hospital. Thank you very much.